Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is the quality assurance standards of video learning materials. I am your speaker, Rona Claire S. Inocencio, LR Coordinator of High School Department. We are making these video learning materials for the Filipino learners to portray to the learners as multi-faced with physical, intellectual, and psycho-emotional, spiritual, and socio-cultural traits. Highlight the dignity of learners and respect their rights. Uphold the learners' unique values and principles that shape their way of thinking and dealing with others. Mirror the diversity of learners' lived experiences, settings, and contexts. Depict learners as capable of constructing and reflecting on their own experiences and the experiences of others. Portray learners as active seekers of knowledge who rely on multiple sources of information and are able to think critically about that knowledge. The importance of video learning materials. Students today are using educational videos as a tool for learning everything, from basic skills like changing a tire to the latest dance craze. Remarkably, millennials make up 92% of the digital video viewing audience. Studies have shown that the use of short video clips allows for more efficient processing and memory recall. The visual and auditory nature of videos appeals to a wide audience and allows each user to process information in a way that's natural to them. In a nutshell, videos are good for teachers. Videos create a more engaging sensory experience than using print materials alone. Learners actually get to see and hear the concept of being taught, and they can process it in the same way they process their everyday interactions. They provide a go-to resource that can be watched from anywhere with an internet connection. Videos are accessible on a multitude of devices including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This allows for viewing at students' convenience and from wherever they are. Videos increase knowledge retention since they can be stopped and replayed as many times as needed. They can also be reviewed long after the initial lesson was taught. They greatly assist in the learning of all subjects, but particularly those topics that are complex and or highly visual, such as step-by-step procedures, problem solving, or science and math formulas. They increase proficiency in digital literacy and communication, which are important 21st century skills. Why do we need standards in making video learning materials? Educational videos have become an important part of higher education, providing an important content delivery tool in many flipped, blended, and online classes. Effective use of video as an educational tool is enhanced when instructors consider three elements: how to manage cognitive load of the video, how to maximize student engagement with the video, and how to promote active learning from the video. Videos has become an important part of higher education. It is integrated as part of traditional courses, serve as cornerstone of many blended courses, and is often the main information delivery mechanism in online courses. So we have three qualities to consider in making video learning materials. First is the content quality. Content must be consistent with the topic skills found in adapted learning competencies to the subject and grade year level it was intended. The concepts developed contribute to the enrichment, reinforcement, or mastery of the identified learning objectives. Content must be up-to-date, accurate, and logically developed and organized. The content of the video is free from cultural, gender, racial, or ethnic bias. So if your video affects or it has impact how we judge others based on the factors such as race, ability, gender, culture, and language, it will automatically be failed. Next, your content must be relevant to real-life situations. Your content must provide positive values that support formative growth. The language used in the video must be appropriate to the target user level. Your content stimulates and promotes critical thinking. So we are done with the standards of the content quality. Next is the instructional qualities that must be considered in making videos. The materials used in the video must achieve its defined purpose. Next, the purpose of the video material must be well defined. The learning objectives are clearly stated and measurable. The level of difficulty of the video must be appropriate for the intended target user. Graphics, colors, sounds are used for appropriate instructional reasons. The materials must be enjoyable, stimulating, challenging, and engaging for the learners. Materials effectively stimulates creativity of the target user. Feedback on target users' responses is effectively employed. The target user can control the rate and sequence of presentation and review. Instructions is integrated with target user's previous experience. Let us now proceed to technical quality. So these technical qualities will have a great impact on the outcome of the video. The audio enhances the understanding of the concept. Speech and narration, for example, the correct pacing, intonation, and pronunciation is clear and can easily be understood. There must be a complete synchronization of audio with the visuals. So if your audio and visuals doesn't align together, your video will be automatically failed. Music and sound effects are appropriate and effective for instructional purposes. Screen displays or text are uncluttered, easy to read, and aesthetically pleasing. Visual presentations or non-text are clear and easy to interpret. The visuals must sustain interest and do not distract users' attention. Visuals provide accurate representation of the concepts discussed. The design allows the target user to navigate freely through the material. The material can easily and independently used. So we are almost done with our discussion for the 3 qualities in making video learning materials. So now let's watch an example of video learning material. So this video is created by Ma'am Rena Hilario and is already published on our YouTube channel, KISEC Abtech.
Hello class! From our previous lesson, we learned about bit or binary digit. A bit can only have 2 possible values, a 1 digit or a 0 digit. Computers use binary codes to represent and interpret letters, numbers, and special characters with bit. We will learn more about binary numbers as we go through our Technology and Livelihood Education Computer System Services Exploratory Lesson 3, Learning Outcome 2, Carry Out Measurements and Calculations. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to convert decimal to binary. Today, we will study about the topic on conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers, computation, and checking. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. There are few steps in converting decimal numbers to binary numbers. Let's have 25 as our example. You may have your notebook or paper so that we can solve this together. First, divide 25 by 2. Then get the quotient and write the remainder in the last column. Again, divide the remainder by 2. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until you get a quotient of 0. Read and write the values of the remainder from the bottom to the top to get the binary value of the decimal number. Please take note, a byte has 8 binary digits. Add zeros from the left to complete the 8 digits. What do you have there now? Alright, So 25 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, we are going to check if the equivalent is correct. In checking, be reminded that binary numbers is equal to binary digit times their power of 2. To make it simple, refer to the table below. Now, let's solve for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. We will have it in the table for better understanding. Now, place all the decimal number values at the position represented by 1 on the last row. Then add all the results, which gives us 16 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 25. Did the video help you with your lesson today? Then, let's try to solve this activity. Grab a paper and pen, then convert 80 to binary number. I will give you 2 minutes to solve this. What is the equivalent? Yes. Now, let's check if it is correct. I will give you another 2 minutes for the checking. What is the result? Very good. 64 plus 16 is equal to 80. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more educational videos. See you until next time. Keep safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you for listening on my discussion. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I hope that you have gained knowledge on how to make a quality video material. Please do subscribe, like, and share the videos on our YouTube channel, KISEC Abtech.